What's up guys, it's Jay here. In the last month, I've managed to generate 12,000 Rand from this particular tool online. And to be honest with you, I wasn't going to put out this video, but I saw a few more videos popping up online on how to make money in South Africa online that are total nonsense. So I'm here to provide value. I want everyone to succeed. This is how I made 12,000 Rand in just 1 month. So guys, if you want to start making money online ASAP, this is a very legitimate way in order to do it. This is a tool we'll be using. Conversion AI is basically an artificial intelligence robot called Jarvis. And Jarvis is a master of copywriting. He can do anything from website copy to Facebook ads to video scripts. Just watch it go. Now, the tool isn't cheap. However, I did manage to get a 5-day free trial for all my viewers. If you click the link down below, you guys can go ahead and claim that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jay, you've given me a robot to write articles, but who do I sell the articles to and write them to? But what happens if I gave you a source of leads as well? I've linked down below the Facebook group to the tool. Now, I'm not 100% sure if you have to have the full version in order to access the Facebook group, but this Facebook group is full of guys looking for copywriters or writers to use the tool and bang out a lot of content for them. Just yesterday, Carlos Corona, any VAs for hire or recommendations, looking for Jarvis content creators for all our digital properties. Guys, get on this. Take some action. Get the tool, get the free version. My free version I got for you guys, I think they gave me 10,000 free words for everyone that used the link to sign up. Get on that. Start creating content. Join the groups. Start hustling. This is the only way you're going to start making money online. Let me show you a little bit about what Jarvis can do and then how we're actually going to use that to make money online here in South Africa. So guys, once you've got the free trial below, you'll be able to get into the dashboard. Now, the robot is going to do all the work for us, but this still requires action. So basically, the strategy we're going to be implementing is we're going to get this AI to write us a cold email to email out to blogs asking if we can write an article for them. And in the email, we're going to attach a sample article, totally free, in order for them to see that we understand what we're writing about. So let's start off by first composing the article that we're going to be attaching to the cold email. So we want to go over here to the long form assistant. Now basically we need to tell the AI what it is we want to create. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be writing a finance article because I know a little bit about finance, having studied it, and let's see what this AI gives us. So we have to describe what we want to write. So I've got how to save money fast. I'm just going to put that in. Obviously you want to beef that up a bit, but if I do a whole tutorial on that, which I can, this video would be a lot longer. Continue. Title. Now we're going to ask the AI to generate it for us. How to save money fast, the definitive guide within your reach, saving money, how to save money fast, 17 ways to save money faster, 3 ways to save money fast. Let's use this one, 3 ways to save money fast. The intro paragraph, you can either write your own to give to the AI to use as focal points when writing, or you can just hit generate ideas. And we lazy guys, so we're going to hit generate ideas. Right now the AI is generating 3 paragraphs, intro paragraphs, and now we can just choose one. Here they all are. It's the time of the year where we all start thinking about I'm just going to choose this one. Open editor. It's a time of year where we all start thinking about how to save money. The holidays are coming up and you know that they are going to cost a lot more than usual. There's no money. Awesome. So that's pretty good. Now, this is the editor. Now you have to sometimes type a little to give to the AI for it to see what direction you want it to go in. and then you can hit this button down here, compose. Now when you hit compose, watch what happens. The AI writes all the content you need for you. So as you can see here, the AI is just going buck wild. And now it's stopped because we have to give it something. Number 2, consolidate debt payments. So we just put in, let's say it is vital that, okay, it's ready to go again. So we just hit it and it's ready to write. You're aware of how much you owe when the bank payments need to become. You may find that by combining debt like a mortgage or student loans with your credit cards. So yeah, as you can see, this thing is really, really powerful. And obviously, the more you give it, the more it'll do. So once you have your article and you've used this tool to create your article, which you can honestly bang out a lot of articles a day with this tool, you want to go back to the dashboard. Well, you obviously want to save your article and paste it somewhere. And we want to go over here now to the email tab at the top. And we want to click on the personalized cold emails. Now, as you can see here, I've already written a bit out here because this is what I've been doing. So tell us a bit about your product. So I wrote here, writing articles, blog posts and content for your blog on finance related matters. I have a degree in investments and wealth and knowledge on the finance and money. Check out the article I wrote for free below. So that's what I've given it. As you can see, the wording's not great. And I've put my company name in there, viral marketing, the context of the email to include. I saw that you require articles written namely by South Africans. So guys, you just fill this out, right? You can even fill out the tone. I chose Woody. And now this robot is going to generate our cold AI, our cold email outreach for us. So it's busy generating it now. And as I said, the next step, we will go and look for blogs. So here, as we can see, hi, name a recipient. Did you know that there's a lack of South African articles on finance and not the kind where we could just share memes and quotes, but real content? And I don't really like that one. Hello, first name. I saw that you're looking for articles on finance written by South Africans. I'm the perfect candidate. I have a degree in investments. I like this one. So guys, we would copy this, our cold email outreach, paste that into a notepad, and then go and look for blogs on finance in South Africa. So we simply do this by Googling it. So I've Googled blogs on finance in South Africa, and these are all the blogs that have popped up. Now we're going to go, I can get into this on another video with regards to outreach, but basically you want to collect all the email addresses or founding members of each blog. Now, I'll leave that up to you guys. You would go and collect the email addresses and then hit them with the outreach email attached with your article and see how many respond. There are tools where you can do this in mass quantity, but I kind of want to go into a little tip or trick just to get more conversions for you guys. So a lot of the blogs will not have email addresses. Now, a way to get around this is to use LinkedIn. So for instance, this FinCheck. FinCheck is a South African blog, let's say I want to write for. I go down here to contact us, and a lot of the blogs are like this. Guys, you just go to LinkedIn and type in at the top here, FinCheck, and boom, there's the CEO. You connect with him and you paste your outreach email note in here. Now you only allow 300 characters with the first LinkedIn outreach, but normally if you can get these guys to connect with you, you can launch a conversation and start chatting to them. and also give them your articles and say, hey, look here, look what I wrote. But it really wasn't you that wrote it, it was Java's. Guys, that's all I really have for you today. Give me a like and subscribe if you found some value, and grab the free trial and start messing around with it. There are a dozen ways to make money with this bot. I mean, you can provide copywriting on Upwork, Fiverr, you can write out CVs with this, you can write out testimonials, you can build websites. I'm going to be doing a video series soon where I build out a whole lead generation website just with this robot to show you guys the power of it. I'm Jason McLachlan. I hope you guys found some value. Much love. Keep hustling. Cheers.